Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fast battery drain on your INFINIX Note 60 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and find some power hungry apps. So we want to make sure that we disable every single app from the background, make sure that it says already the best state. And what are we going to do is we're going to restrict background app activity for some of the apps. We need to do that in app management in the settings. We go to app list and here are selects. I'll just select some random apps like Crash Block. Here we click on battery and disable allow background usage. So we disable it completely and now it's gone. So this app won't run in the background. This is what we can do for every single app. And of course, what are we going to do next is lower our brightness, but I won't lower it since it's already good for the recording. What are we going to do next is we're going to go over and disable, let me quickly show you, the always on display in wallpapers and personalization. Here we want to make sure that always on display is disabled because it also drains our battery and we definitely do not want it. Now, as a last resort, what we can do is update our software. So we can do that in the INFINIX Note 60 Pro right up top here. Click check for updates. And now my system is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. And that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.